you know, he did. He said to our teacher, "Hey mom, I'm sorry. I mistook you for my mom."
I asked you for a mistake that you've made. What'd you tell me about your friend's mistake in elementary school?
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't really remember my failures. I try not to make any mistakes ever.
Do you have any questions in general?
I'd like to learn all about business from you. I can do every task perfectly.
You passed this interview. But I'm going to prepare a special test for you.
Okay,
Are you confident?
for sure. I've never failed any test. I'm ready.
Your test is to fail.
What do you mean?
It's easy. You just go outside, meet a female stranger, and talk to her as your friend. Like, Olivia, long time no see. I have a lot of things to talk about. Oh, sorry. I mistook you for my friend. Like this.
What are you doing?
I'm showing you your final test.
So, my test is to fail? Seriously?
Yes, and if you fail to fail, you will fail your final test. Which failure do you prefer?
I'll do it.
Excellent.
But why should a person be a woman?
Because that way you will feel more embarrassed.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm just wondering which friend. I shouldn't mistake a stranger for. I have to do it perfectly. But I don't have a good.
Let's go. You failed.
I don't know why when I faced her.
People who can fail can succeed.
Sorry.
You're. It's okay. What's the matter?
Today I went to an audition for a play. Before that, I quit my job, even though all my friends said I was making a big mistake. I failed.
It happened to me too. I failed the test.
You too?
Why are you laughing?
You can't succeed if you're afraid to fail.
I'm not.
We've all failed. We don't need to be afraid.
Hello?
Hi, this is Arthur. I'd like to talk about
Tomorrow. Tastes the same. Sounds good?
For sure. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
So, did you find any good female friends?
Today. But I'm actually making a new friend.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It was the first time I've ever felt.
That's life.
It was tough for me, but now I know.
What do you mean?
I mean, I
Who are
realized
you talking to?
Jessica,
Who?
my best friend.
Who?
Jessica.
I'm serious.
I just created a new imaginary friend, like Jessica, and practice that like this. Hi Jessica, long time no see. How's it going?
Let's go.
Hi. Jessica. Long time no see. How's it going?
Do I know you?
Aren't you Jessica?
Yes, my name is Jessica. I'm sorry, I don't remember you. Are you okay? Hello? Excuse me.
I'm sorry. I mistook you for my mom.
Okay.
You passed the test. Follow me.